well yesterday, today as well. Knight G3, mistake.
Huge
But very
mistake.
tempting move, very
But
natural move.
guys, the winning move for Prague is to pop out the
Arey.
bishop here and hit the queen.
Because you don't have time for queen f2. Because
the
queen
rook is
b8
hanging.
check.
Exactly,
Check
with the check.
में मर रहा
So
है.
bishop A3 is the killer move
Look
in
at
this
Prague.
position and Prague
Look at
spots
Prague.
it.
I think Prague has seen
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Prague spots it.
उसका चेहरा दिख रहा है that Prague knows that bishop A3 is coming, and with bishop A3 what will
It's
happen
also
is
deflection. Yeah.
because your queen can't go down, it has to move sideways,
But then-
and it will get passive.
No, the biggest point is bishop A3, queen E8, bishop D6.
Queen-
It's just hitting the rook and the knight on
No,
G3.
maybe you have to go queen d8 then. Bishop a3, queen d8 is forced.
Yes, bishop A3, queen to D8,
And then bishop
stopping
E7.
here.
This is
And
amazing.
now
Hey.
boom!
Oh! Did he play it?
No, no, not yet.
Okay, he's thinking. Let's stick to the live position as he has less 1.5 minute right now. Pragu.
Basically, it is a football to the
Bishop
queen. The bishop
A.
will keep attacking
3.
it.
Bishop A3, bishop A3,
3. Bishop A3. Bishop A3. Bishop A3.
Guys, कैसा लग रहा है
Let's
इसका
go. Let's go.
music? Like literally out of 10.
I mean, he's just making sure if Fabi does not have any tactics
No, but-
after Bishop A3.
No, look at him swiveling that piece in
Oh,
his
he goes. And
Solid,
B4.
solid, solid.
Oh.
plays. But what about bishop
क्या
takes
बात है?
B4?
Bishop B4, he wants to play something like Knight
अरे
A.
क्या
तुम्हारा गाना
है
सुन
बाबी?
लिया उन्होंने
ये
गाना
क्वीन
सुन
मारा गलती से तो ऊ लाला
Checkmate.
Oh, disco. It's the time to disco.
very tricky
disco.
move, very tricky move by Fabi. B4 there, 1 minute on the clock for Prague. Objectively he's winning, but the
Actually-
position is tricky.
Harshit bhai, Amruta, you have to truly believe in yourself, because when a player like Fabi makes a move like B4, you think you might have missed something, but actually you haven't. In fact, the position is in your favor, and this is the tough part about chess. Fabi is bluffing, but Prague has to catch that bluff. He has to out-calculate him, and that too in 40 seconds.
I think he's gonna do it. He is. Look at him. The way he is sitting on the board right now.
What
Oh, rook
the
b4.
Takes B4,
with
Yeah,
very
no,
decent.
good move. Actually, maybe practically, in fact, much better.
I completely agree with Amruta. This is a very nice practical decision by Prague. He wants to exchange pieces because the end game with material advantage is going to be much easier to convert. And 50 seconds on the
Bhai,
clock.
Yeah, and
यहाँ पे disco, यहाँ पे there is a pin. Here there is a discovery. It's a crazy position.
In
And
Vegas,
deflection also.
हम
Yeah,
वेगस
yeah.
में भी है तो वेगस में भी डिस्को ही चल रहा है.
Yes, Vegas
हर्षित
is,
भाई,
by the way.
क्या आपने डांस किया?
नहीं किया अभी तक, but I'm waiting for one of the Indians to win. Then we will dance.
Yes, exactly, guys. Right now, Prague down to 1 minute 7 seconds, but Fabi has
30
even
seconds.
less time. Oh, by the way, it's an increment of
Look at
30
it.
seconds.
Blunder.
Oh,
Blunder
it
by
should
him.
be over. But if,
Oh,
if
oh,
Prague
oh, oh.
finds an amazing move right now,
No, it's not amazing. Rook takes b6 is over. No,
but it's
over.
amazing move.
yeah, it's a.
Look at this
Okay,
disco. Your queen is
let's-
attacked.
Let's
okay?
analyze this. Take
Yes.
rook takes a7.
Just chop the queen off on f8 and we are up 2 pawns.
take.
No, a2 is hanging, na, lekin.
Yes, but 2 pawns
Knight
up.
c6.
Bishop a6, and you
Yeah,
are 2
we're just
pawns up.
2 pawns up, completely
Oh my
winning.
goodness. So okay, 1 minute. Rook
This
b6.
is one, rook b6. If he doesn't
What else?
go for rook b6,
No, but there's
then
nothing else.
Nothing else. We just took a piece.
Oh, Prague, very easy. Come on, Prague.
Yeah, rook
This
b6
is
is
this
easy.
is
very easy for 30 seconds.
how
Would
do
you
I say?
that?
Yes, yes.
Because there's also queen takes b6,
No,
right?
why is it tough? You know, because your queen is attacked.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just think, where should I move the queen? You even don't consider this move.
Exactly. He does it. But Prague is going to consider that move. Rook takes b6.
Let's go, Prague.
Caruana, I think missed it. Look at him right now. He is slightly in a state of, oh, what just happened?
He's
Yes.
in disbelief right now because he had a very, very decent position from the opening. But this idea of bringing the queen out in the center by Pragnananda had really confused Fabi. And right now, after rook b6, there's just no going back for him
No,
right now.
and Prague is like, भाई आज तो हम जीत के ही छोड़ेंगे. I'll win this game. He's completely winning. One might even
Think that he drinks water now.
yeah, he might drink water. Queen d8 played, and Fabi is just trying for some final tricks. He's like, if the queen is moved, I'll pick up your bishop.
Yeah, but this, I mean, White should have more than one way to win right now. The simplest perhaps is to go queen to b7 and after rook takes a3 to capture the pawn, knight takes c6. This is completely
What
winning.
about this? Oh, there's no way. I was thinking queen e7, but you might lose the rook. Okay.
And Prague about to play queen
Oh, but
b7.
12 seconds on the clock. He
Go,
needs
go,
to
go.
rush.
He goes bishop e7 instead.
Which is even beautiful. Like that's a
a great
beautiful move. You take the queen, I take your queen.
And I'm a piece up.
Yeah, piece up. Otherwise, if you move the queen, I'll now move my queen and I'm piece up. So Fabi trying for some final tricks. He goes queen e8.
You know, the good thing is there is 30 seconds increment here,
Yes,
Oh,
yes,
true.
yes.
I kind
which
of
is
forgot.
great if you are having a winning position.
And now queen c7 should do the trick. Yesterday he took down Magnus Carlsen in that beautiful game. Today he's taking down Fabiano Caruana. Pragnananda is in exceptional form in this tournament.
No, he's playing really well. And Prag is saying, hey, freestyle or normal chess, I can play well in any format. Queen c7 played. And now, of course, you can't go after this pawn.
Because rook b8.
नहीं भाई हर्षित भाई हर्षित भाई
Putting
Look,
all
चलो
the
मेरा
traps, tricks and बहुत tricky है, very tricky.
so maybe this last trick
Exactly. Rook a2. And now we have to be careful. Maybe just king c1.
yeah king e1 c1 e1 somewhere move the king away so that the king can come out.
c5 played.
c5 a bit too late, yeah, to make this move.
Okay, and then I mean, also let's not forget that the knight on g3 is hanging. So
Oh
this is
yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if in the next two moves Caruana resigns here. He's
Yeah.
just I think making a couple of moves out of inertia. Yeah, my game is going on. Let me-
also after this game we will of course quickly jump on the other game as Arjun is also playing. But right now let's stick to this game as Arjun is actually slightly worse in his game.
Things have turned around there. Takes on c5, a good move by Pragnananda. And Prag is saying, Fabi, you have nothing here. You are actually 3 pawns down as well. Rook takes a2. The final trick, guys, to checkmate here. And I'm pretty sure he's going king e1.
Or rook a6.
Rook a6. That's also a nice, cute move.
But I think that king e1
Yeah, he's
is
bringing
on the
his
verge.
king. Beautiful move. Prag is coming out here. So Prag is a piece up and 2 pawns up. That's almost 5 points extra. And Fabi's body language instantly says that, hey, I'm giving this up because you see there's no energy in him.
Land
Yes,
designation.
Pragnananda wins here. Beautiful chess by him, showing that he is in tremendous form here. Prag doing it in style.